How to add car key to Apple Wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add car key to Apple Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up Pass to You Wallet. You'll need to have this app. You can download it from your app store. After you open this up, you will need to tap on the plus icon on the bottom right of the wallet. After you do that, choose and apply a pass template. After you select that, you will need to search for your car model. So I'll just do BMW in this. And after you do that, tap on done. Then BMW's pass keys should appear. And now select whichever BMW card works for you. Choose the one that's more applied. So I'll just use this BMW card. And after you do that, you can then set it up as your device. So here, you can use your M number, your vehicle, and then confirm it. Then add citizenship of wherever you are from and everything else. And then after you've done that, you can tap on done on the top right. After you tap on done, tap on add on the top right. And after you tap on add, it should be added on your Apple Wallet. You can open that up and check as well. And that's how you can add your car key to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.